Welcome to the section Monitoring with Spring Actuator. The first video of this section is What is Spring Boot Actuator? Actuating elements belong to a sub-area of a propulsion technique and describe the creation of a movement or a distortion. In cars, actuators translate electrical signals into mechanical movements as an example. In Spring Boot, it delivers production-ready features like monitoring, controlling, metrics, and audits. The endpoints that Spring Boot Actuator comes with are separated into these categories: general information, health status, commands, audits, and metrics. This is a short list with the most important endpoints. We will get to know some of these endpoints during this section, like health, logging, configuration, metrics, and so on. On the official Spring Boot documentation website, you can see some more possible endpoints. You will get to learn just the necessary endpoints you need to troubleshoot your application. When you have added the actuator dependency to your Spring Boot project, don't forget to adapt the application properties. In this example, we have exposed the endpoints health, info, loggers, and metrics for our application. You can also adapt the path of the actuator endpoints. Let's create a simple application that we can extend in the run of the section. We create a new Spring Boot project with the starters web and the actuator starter. We select the web starter, and under Ops, we select the actuator starter. And now we adapt our application properties file. With management, endpoints, web exposure include, we tell Spring Boot to expose the endpoints, health, and info. And with management, endpoints enabled by default set to true, we enable all endpoints. And now let's run the application. So the web server is going up now. And first we inspect the info endpoint. This is available under actuator/info. And you see that this endpoint is totally empty. We can extend this info endpoint later in this section. And now let's inspect the health endpoint. You see the status is up. And here you see how the graph lengthens proportionally due to the amount of HTTP requests.